A young man, driven by a passion to democratize education, dedicated countless sleepless nights and even slept in his office for an entire year. He created free educational content, pouring his heart and soul into his work. But his relentless pursuit of his goal took a toll on his health. His body could only sleep for 2 hours, affecting his ability to eat and function properly. Despite the challenges, he managed to attract a staggering 70,000 students from all over the world. His courses received excellent instructor ratings, and he proudly shared this news on his social media platforms. This success caught the attention of various e-learning platforms who were eager to host his content on their platforms. In order to improve the quality of his courses, he made the difficult decision to make some of them paid. He hoped that the revenue generated would allow him to purchase better equipment and enhance the learning experience for his students. However, his hopes were shattered when the company he had been hosting his courses with sent him an email early one morning. They banned him from using their site, taking away all his content and denying him the chance to download it. To add to his misfortune, the money that was due to him after his success never reached him. It seemed like the universe was conspiring against him. He developed a fear of numbers, to the point where he relied on a lady he walked with to work to input door codes on his behalf, just so he could access his workspace. Furthermore, all the institutions and individuals who had expressed interest in working with him suddenly disappeared. Some even took his content with them, although he didn't see it as a major loss as he had a humanitarian approach to things. In the face of this tremendous setback, he decided to take matters into his own hands. He launched his own learning management system, LMS platform, determined to be in control of his own destiny and free from the hindrances of third parties. Despite the hardships he has faced, he still holds on to hope for a positive and exciting future.